Hello, my beautiful babes. It's your girl, Sweet Angel, and welcome back to Facial February. 30 days of DIY facials and skincare. We are on day 4 today. Now, hopefully, you've already checked out days 1, 2, and 3. But if you haven't, don't worry. Go watch them right after you finish this video. Let's get into today's facial, baby. Welcome back to Facial February Day 4 on Beauty by Sweet Angel. Today we're making a timeless skincare favorite, DIY Rice Water Toner, a classic beauty secret that helps your skin look soft, bright, smooth, and refreshed, especially during the winter months. This toner is perfect for mature skin over 40, dry winter skin, and dullness. Rice water helps support a healthy glow and gives that glass skin look without using harsh products. 2 ingredients. So simple. We're going to need rice and water. How simple can it get? We're going to take a half cup of rice and 1 cup of water. Let me show you how to make and use this toner. You're going to first rinse your rice, then soak the rice in water for 30 minutes. All right, time is up. Let's go ahead and strain the rice water into a clean container. Now, this is how you apply it. Nothing difficult here. Apply with a cotton pad or pat into your skin with clean hands. Now, this is the great part here. You can store it in the fridge for up to 3 days before you have to remix. Now, let me tell you something. There are some great benefits to this. You need to listen to this. This will help brighten and refresh dull skin. It helps to tighten the look of pores. It helps in softening the appearance of fine lines and leaves your skin smooth, hydrated, and glowing. And babes, it don't get no easier than that. But let me remind you, okay, one more time. Okay, one time for the one time. Patch test first. Always, anytime you're trying something new on your skin. And don't forget to put on your SPF daily. You got me? You got me. Perfect. Y'all, this is it. I'm out. Today was so simple, but you're looking so good. I'll see y'all in tomorrow's video. Bye.
Walk back in sunshine on your skin like you never even left my mind. I said, baby, what's been going on? You said life and but I'm holding on. Then you looked at me, smiled real wide, still looking good, sis. And I said, girl, I tried, but looking good ain't good enough. I'm trying to give them better, trying to glow in the